How to send money to a bank account from Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money directly to someone's bank account, whether it's local or international, well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using Wise. It's fast, cheap and secure. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once you're inside the app, you just have to scroll down and tap on the send button. And here, once you see the interface like this, now you can choose the currency that you are sending from and the one that you're sending to. And after that, simply enter how much money that you want to send or how much the recipient should receive. And next, you can choose existing recipient, or you can just tap on add recipient and select bank account and then enter their full name and their bank account details like IBAN, short code, account number depending on the country. Now you can choose how you want the fund to transfer. Like Wise supports bank transfers, debit cards, credit cards, or even Apple or Google Pay in some region. So here double check all the details like the recipient info, amount, exchange rate and fees once you're done with everything. And if all looks good, you can just tap on confirm and send, and you will now see a delivery estimate and can track the number of the transfer in real time. And Wise also notifies you once the money hits the recipient bank account, and you can save the recipient for the next time, making your future bank transfers even faster. And that's it. That's how you can send money to a bank account using Wise. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.